Vikings inhabited North America 1000 years ago, well before Columbus. Study says the Vikings had settlements in North America exactly 1000 years ago, centuries before Christopher Columbus arrived on the continent. According to a study, scientists say new dating techniques analyzing tree rings have provided evidence that the Vikings took their place in Newfoundland, Canada in 1021. It has long been known that Europeans reached America before Columbus arrived in the New World in 1492. However, this is the first time researchers have suggested an exact date. In the journal Nature, the researchers write that they have analyzed tree rings from three pieces of wood cut for the Scandinavian village of La House Meadows. They say that using atmospheric radiocarbon signals generated by the dated solar storms as a guide, they were able to place the exact year the trees were cut at 1021. Such solar storms, huge bursts of radiation from the sun, hit Earth in 992, scientists say. This allowed them to date more accurately than previous predictions for the camp of about 1000 years ago. The association of these pieces with Scandinavia is based on detailed research previously conducted by Parks Canada, adding that there was a clear evidence that the wood samples were modified with metal tools. It added that the La House Meadows camp was a base from which to explore other locations, including areas further south. According to the authors, this discovery is an endpoint for further research on early effects of transatlantic activity, such as knowledge transfer and potential exchange of genetic and pathological information. A UNESCO World Heritage Site at the northernmost tip of Newfoundland, La House Meadows, is the first and the only site known to have been created by Vikings in North America and the earliest evidence of European settlement in the New World. Radiocarbon dating is a technique that measures the residual concentration of the radioactive isotope carbon in an object. Carbon 14 degrades over time, and measuring the residue will tell you the age of the sample. Thanks.